Hello and welcome to the Driving Theory Test channel. Driving Theory Test. The theory test is designed to test your driving knowledge and hazard perception skills. You have 10 minutes to answer 10 multiple-choice driving theory test questions. At least 7 out of 10 questions must be answered correctly in order to pass the test. Are you ready? But wait, before we dive into the test, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Every like and subscription helps us continue to produce videos free of charge. And once you're done with the test, drop a comment below sharing how many questions you got right. We would love to hear from you. Let's dive into the video. Question 1. What will reduce the risk of neck injury resulting from a collision? A properly adjusted head restraint, anti-lock brakes, an air-sprung seat, a collapsible steering wheel. Time to think. The correct answer is a properly adjusted head restraint. Explanation: if you're involved in a collision, head restraints will reduce the risk of neck injury. They must be properly adjusted. Make sure they aren't positioned too low. In a crash, this could cause damage to the neck. Question 2. Excessive or uneven tire wear can be caused by faults in them. Exhaust system, braking system, suspension, gearbox. Time to think. The correct answer is braking system and suspension. Explanation: uneven wear on your tires can be caused by the condition of your vehicle. Having it serviced regularly will ensure that the brakes, steering, and wheel alignment are maintained in good order. Question 3. This broken white line painted in the center of the road means there is a hazard ahead of you. Oncoming vehicles have priority over you. You should give priority to oncoming vehicles. The area is a national speed limit zone. Time to think. The correct answer is there is a hazard ahead of you. Explanation: a long white line with short gaps means that you are approaching a hazard. If you do need to cross it, make sure that the road is clear well ahead. Question 4. How should you overtake horse riders? Drive slowly and leave plenty of room. Drive up close and overtake as soon as possible. Use your horn just once to warn them. Speed is not important, but allow plenty of room. Time to think. The correct answer is drive slowly and leave plenty of room. Explanation: when you're on country roads, be aware of particular dangers. Be prepared for farm animals, horses, pedestrians, farm vehicles, and wild animals. Always be prepared to slow down or stop. Question 5. Who is especially in danger of not being seen as you reverse your car? Car drivers, motorcyclists, children, cyclists. Time to think. The correct answer is children. Explanation. As you look through the rear of your vehicle, you may not be able to see a small child. Be aware of this before you reverse. If there are children about, get out and check if it is clear before reversing. Question 6. What should you do as you approach this lorry? Slow down and be prepared to wait. Make the lorry wait for you. Flash your lights at the lorry. Move to the right-hand side of the road. Time to think. The correct answer is slow down and be prepared to wait. Explanation. When turning, long vehicles need much more room on the road than other vehicles. At junctions, they may take up the whole of the road space, so be patient and allow them the room they need. Question 7. You are driving in town. Ahead of you, a bus is at a bus stop. Which two of the following should you do? Watch carefully for the sudden appearance of pedestrians. Pass the bus as quickly as you possibly can. Continue at the same speed, but sound your horn as a warning. Be prepared to give way if the bus suddenly moves off. Time to think. Explanation. As you approach, look out for any signal the driver might make. If you pass the vehicle, watch out for pedestrians attempting to cross the road from the other side of the bus. They will be hidden from view until the last moment. Question 8. A tanker is involved in a collision. Which sign shows that it is carrying dangerous goods? Time to think. Explanation. There will be an orange label on the side and rear of the tanker. Look at this carefully and report what it says when you phone the emergency services. Details of hazard warning plates are given in the highway code. Question 9. In front of you is a Class 3 powered vehicle, powered wheelchair, driven by a disabled person. These vehicles have a maximum speed of 18 mph, 29 kilometers per hour, 38 mph, 61 kilometers per hour, 28 mph, 45 kilometers per hour, 8 mph, 12 kilometers per hour. Time to think. The correct answer is 8 mph, 12 kilometers per hour. Explanation. These vehicles are battery-powered and very vulnerable due to their slow speed, small size, and low height. Some are designed for pavement and road use and have a maximum speed of 8 em, 12 kilometers per hour. Others are for pavement use only and are restricted to 4 mph, 6 kilometers per hour. Take extra care and be patient if you are following one. Allow plenty of room when overtaking and do not go past unless you can do so safely. Question 10. What should you use the hard shoulder of a motorway for? Stopping in an emergency. Leaving the motorway. Stopping when you are tired. Joining the motorway. Time to think. The correct answer is stopping in an emergency. Explanation: don't use the hard shoulder for stopping unless it is an emergency. If you want to stop for any other reason, go to the next exit or service station.